good afternoon, good evening. Today is Friday, so I'm just gonna be talking about all things sewing. Basically, I'm vlogging today, kind of like jogging, only not. I do have quite a few pieces of fabric to show you. I also posted a video this week. I'm just going to show you like some fun pictures, and don't worry, we'll have fun. I'll try to make it entertaining. So first, I'm going to show you my fabric that I purchased just this last week. Joann's had a sale, and so I didn't want to go crazy. I only wanted to buy fabric that I knew that I was going to use for this week, because they have sales all the time. So I'm very excited to use, this is a knit, and it's like a cheetah, and it's kind of like abstract-y. And so I'm going to use this pattern for it because I feel like it's not too busy. It's going to show the puffy sleeve, and then I'm going to put pockets in it and just have it go like a straight dress, just like what that pattern shows. And so this is a knit. It's that Galleria fabric from Joann's, and I really like that one because it's thick, so it's not as thin as a double brush poly, but it's still soft, and so I feel like it's a good weight for a dress. I also found a small fabric shop in Ogden, and it's actually located in the mall, and they have a lot of different fabrics, and so I'll show you what I found from there. This one right here is a fun fabric. They have different types of fashion fabrics. Let me move this down here. And this one I thought would be really cute for when I'm also doing the color blocking. It's got stripes on it that are like kind of glitter, and that would be fun to put on the top part of a shirt, or even just use it as just the sleeves, or of course you can wear it as the main piece. And then I also got this fabric. I haven't mentioned this, but for all my dresses, I've been making a couple of undergarments to wear, and they're just so comfortable. But then, sometimes those undergarments can be like $16, $20. Sometimes you can find them for like $8, but it takes me like 20 minutes to whip up a pair of shorts, but they're tighter like leggings. And so this I thought would be really cute to make some shorts out of as well, to wear under dresses. And this one I got there, I think it was $2 or $3 a yard. And it has, the bottom part of it is finished. So it's got the white on the bottom, but that way I don't have to finish the bottom, and these can just be used as undergarments. And it's really soft, and it's stretchy, and it'll be perfect and comfortable to wear for me to have extra coverage under when I wear my dresses. Then I got some fabric from fabric.com. And this one is a double brush poly, and I know exactly what I'm going to be using this one for. But look how cute, it's navy blue. So navy blue, kind of like a cheetah. And so this one I'm going to make another raglan dress. I love my black one with the cheetah on the shoulders. But this one, I am going to do the cheetah all the way. That's going to be my main body piece. And then I'm going to use navy blue right here on the shoulders. Last week, I was kind of, on my last Friday sews, showing you, I was browsing on Fabric Mart fabrics. I was looking on fabric.com. And so here is another one that I got from fabric.com. This is a double brush poly as well, and it's just black and white, and it's got tiny little flowers on it. But what I vision using this one for is I want to make another color block tee. So this one will actually go good with florals and colors, and it's just like a black and white polka dot. So just kind of a good staple to have to go into my wardrobe. Okay, this next one I'm really excited for. I don't know what pattern I'm going to use this for yet, but I feel like it's just my style. And this one is Fabric Merchants, and it's a bubble. I think it's like a bubble crepe, but it's like a boho type fabric. One thing I love when I purchase on that site is the fabrics are prettier in person than it is on that swatch. So I was thinking, oh, I don't know if I'm gonna like it, but I really like it. Look at those flowers. It's like a plum lavender color with the black. Let me kind of drape this up a little bit more. And so that one will be a really cute dress too. I also don't have a lot of long sleeve dresses, and fall will be here before you know it. And this would be a really cute long sleeve type dress as well. So I might think about doing something like that. So then this next fabric I just really love. I remember last week looking on there and I'm like, I'll splurge a bit because this one was around like $8.30. I like to try to keep it under $8. But this one I'm like, I'm just gonna splurge on this one because I really like it. And it's a rayon challis, and I love that fabric. It is harder to sew. It takes a little bit more time because you want to make sure that you got all the edges serged. You don't want it to fray, you know, in the wash or anything like that. It is a tiny bit slippery, but it's not enough to make me not use it. So this is a rayon challis, or challis. I always say challis. Okay, but look at how cute. Look at the flow and the drape. Oh, I don't want to move that. So the flow and the drape of it is so cute, and it's not a floral, which I like because I need a variety in my wardrobe. But I love it's like an abstract, and it's got black and that tan color and white. So this one, I'm thinking just a cute summer flowy dress. Actually, I told you guys in my video that I posted when I made this that I wanted to make another one in, you know, a full length dress. So I think I might use this fabric to make a flowy dress. I think I've made up my mind. I think that's what I'm gonna do. So I did post a pattern review on this shirt that I'm wearing right here. Sorry. Okay, and so one of the viewers commented on, I think it was last Friday, one of my videos that I posted, she commented on suggesting that I use the rolled hem foot on my serger. Wait, see, I'm messing this up. To do a rolled hem on my serger for the edges, to finish up the edges. So I took her advice. I love your guys' advice and suggestions. And I did that with the ruffles on this shirt. And I should have taken it off so that you guys could see it. This is my first time. I didn't care that it wasn't perfect. I don't even know if this is the look that I'm even going for, but I finished off the ruffles that way. So I'm gonna stand up so you can see. I guess you can't really see. Oh, here we go. And it ended up working out really well. What I would have done if I didn't do the finishes like this, there we go, that's actually, if I didn't finish up the edges that way, then I would have just used my narrow hemmed foot on my regular sewing machine to finish it, which is what I did on the bottom. But I thought I could probably do the serged hem on the bottom as well as the top next time. So thank you, Carin, for giving me that advice. And then Melissa also had asked me, oh, do you find it hard to sew with rayon? And like, you know, I keep buying those rayon fabrics. Yeah, I do find that it's more time consuming. Like I have to take my time a lot because you want to do you want to put in an interfacing. You want to make sure all the edges are sewn. You want to make sure all the raw edges are covered. But I love the look of rayon and I love the drape of rayon, especially, you know, I have been wanting to hide a lot of my midsection, and so it doesn't cling to my body. So that's what I love about the rayon. And in the summer, it's really nice and flowy and breathable. So I will just continue to sew on it. And I just want to let you guys know, don't be afraid to sew with rayon. It does take a little bit more time, but I think that you will just love the finished garment. So I'm going to attach a couple of pictures of me wearing this shirt. I really love it. It is great for the summer. And, you know, like I'd mentioned in my other video, if you saw it, it hides my muffin top because, I mean, my muffin top. Okay, so we're still talking about the midsection, okay, guys? So I just get self-conscious about that part, you know? And this one is just really flowy and fun, and it hides that, and it's breezy, and it's just great for summer. So I hope that I have time to make a couple more. In Ogden, Utah, okay, so this is a picture. There's a bunch of murals around town that people paint, and I don't know how they get the authorization to paint these big murals, but they do, and they're very pretty. And so this one is of the mountains, and in Ogden you can see the mountains, and it's just very pretty, and it's like, you know, outdoorsy, adventurous. I just love this mural. And then I'm gonna post, here's another one at the Monarch where they have, the idea of this one is it represents the monarch butterfly. And so that one is just kind of fun as well. So I just want to thank you for visiting with me today. Oh, and I am going to post another video next Wednesday on another pattern review. So make sure that you subscribe, and that way you can get the notifications and you don't miss out on any videos that I post. Oh, and also I strongly suggest that you check out all the other videos in the hashtag Friday Sews in the search bar. And until next time, happy sewing. Bye, guys.